Exercise 5.3, question number 3. In first part, it is given that in an AP first term is 5, common difference D is 3, and nth term is 50. And we have to find number of terms n and the sum of first n terms of this AP. So we have nth term is equal to 50. This expression is given an equal to 50. So this we can write a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 50. Now let's put this value of first term a and common difference d. So we have 5 plus n minus 1 into d equal to 50. Transpose 5 from left to right side. N minus 1 into common difference d is 3 equal to 50 minus 5, which is equal to 45. So n minus 1 equal to 45 divided by 3. This is equal to 15. So therefore n is equal to 15 plus 1, 16. So this way we have found number of terms in this given AP. Now we have to find sum of first n terms of this given AP, and we know the formula for the sum of first n terms of an AP. So we can use that formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus nth term an. Nth term is given. Therefore, sum of first 16 terms S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into first term 5 plus nth term 50. 16 by 2 is 8 into 50 plus 5, 55, which is 440. So final answer of this part is n equal to 16 number of terms in the AP, and sum of first n terms is 440. Now let's see the second part. First term is 7, 13th term is 35, and we have to find the common difference d and sum of first n terms. Here value of n is given 13. So there are 13 terms in this AP. First let's find the common difference d using this expression of 13 terms 35. So we have A13 equal to 35. 13th term a plus 13 minus 1 into d equal to 35. Now put the value of this first term a, which is 7 plus 13 minus 1, 12 into d equal to 35. Transpose 7 from left side to right side. So 12d is equal to 35 minus 7 is equal to 28. So 12d equal to 28. So therefore d equal to 28 by 12. 4 7s are 28 and 4 3s are 12. So common difference is 7 by 3. Now we have to find sum of first n terms. N is 13, means sum of first 13 terms of this AP. And we know the formula for sum of first n terms of an AP using first term and the nth term. So Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus nth term an. 13 by 2 into first term 7 plus nth term 35. This is equal to 13 by 2 into 42. 2 divides 42 21 times. So 13 into 21 equal to 273.